The name of this plant? What?
Collard greens.
Very good. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to prepare this bed for next season. These are called loppers. Everybody say loppers.
Loppers.
You got to hold it firm on the bottom of the stem right there, okay?
Okay.
Soil. I want to cut it beneath the soil. The reason we do that is because we leave the roots in the ground. Because what's in the soil that eats the roots?
The worms.
That's right. We want the life in the soil. So we got to leave the roots. But we can get rid of the plants and we can do things to start to prepare this bed for the springtime. Around the neck of it, right? You got it tight? Now squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Keep going. Keep going. Let me see your muscle. Woo! You're strong too. Woo! No help at all. Up here. Boom. A little bit more. Good. You got it though. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see that muscle. Oh yeah, you was working out.
Yeah.
Got it. You got it.
My hand hurt.
Yeah. 3.
Oh.
Good job. Give me 5. Good job. Yep. Down here. Yep.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Jump it. What? That was easy. Just strong guy. Let me see our muscle. What?